So yun guys, update ni Spor Protocol guys sa kanyang social media account. So puntahan natin guys ang kanyang social media. So guys, ito yung kanyang official, ito yung kanyang announcement, official announcement. Congratulations to the Sport Protocol community. Ito yung sabi guys. Fast forward. The snapshot will take place December 15. So guys, kailangan ninyong makapag-connect ng wallet. So guys, ang connect wallet natin dito is EVM or MetaMask. Any Ethereum virtual machine supported. Pinaka best dito guys is MetaMask kasi yung MetaMask is mas magandang gamitin kumpara sa ibang wallet. So pwede naman tayo guys mag-connect gamit ang Binance wallet. Yung decentralized wallet ng Binance guys, pwede 'yun. So ito guys, check natin ang ating eligibility. So makikita natin dito is meron tayong 265,370. Is 4 points lang yata to guys. And then click natin yung baba, scroll natin. So meron ditong ibang criteria. May times 10. Wait. 10 transaction daw guys sa kanilang Spor Swap. Nagkakaroon ka ng 500 SAN. Ito guys is Spor Protocol Open Network or SON. So another 500 lang yung guys. So hindi naman siya mandatory. So punta tayo dito sa eligibility. So meron tayong matatanggap na 3,654. So guys, ito na po yung pinaka coins natin. Yung 3,654. So sana maganda yung value. So kailangan natin ma-connect yung wallet guys. Hanggang December 15 ang snapshot. And then yung distribution is December 22, 2025. Fundraising guys, ito yung tawag dito, yung mga magbibili ng coins nila sa private sale or tawag dito o mga investor nila. December 10 ang simula. So, paano mag-withdraw guys? So, ito nga guys, sinabi ko is kailangan nyong i-connect dito yung inyong wallet. Click nyo lang to guys ang Binance BNB wallet. So, ilagay nyo dyan guys yung inyong MetaMask. So, hindi ko nakiklik yan kasi nga makikita ninyo yung aking wallet. Baka ma-hack. So, yun lang guys ang pinaka latest update kay Spor Protocol. So, yun. See you next video guys. Thank you.